Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we take you inside America's most luxurious homes, modern mansions, and extraordinary dream estates. If you love luxury living, modern architecture, and high-end real estate, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss one of our exclusive home tours. Today, we are bringing you inside a stunning silver and gray luxury mansion, a home that perfectly blends modern design, comfort, and premium lifestyle. Let's begin this tour with a breathtaking drone day view. As the camera rises into the air, you immediately notice the home's strong architectural presence. The silver and gray exterior, clean modern lines, wide driveway, and beautifully landscaped surroundings give this mansion a bold yet elegant look. This is not just a house, it's a statement of luxury and refined living. Moving closer, we arrive at the main entrance. Tall glass doors combined with premium stone detailing create a powerful first impression. The entrance is designed to welcome you with elegance and style. As we step inside, we are greeted by a grand foyer featuring marble flooring, high ceilings, and an abundance of natural daylight. This open and airy space instantly sets the tone for the rest of the home, showcasing attention to detail and upscale craftsmanship. From the foyer, we flow seamlessly into the main living room. This spacious area features a silver and gray color palette, modern designer sofas, and large floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the room with natural light. Whether you're hosting guests or enjoying a quiet evening, this living room offers the perfect balance of comfort and sophistication. Just beyond the living room is the TV lounge, designed for entertainment and relaxation. A large wall-mounted TV, ambient LED lighting, and plush seating create a private cinema-style experience. This is the ideal space for movie nights, sports events, or simply unwinding after a long day. Next, we step into the heart of the home, the modern luxury kitchen. Featuring sleek silver-gray cabinetry, a large marble island, and high-end built-in appliances, this kitchen is both stylish and functional. The open-concept layout allows the kitchen to connect effortlessly with the living and dining areas, making it perfect for entertaining family and friends. Adjacent to the kitchen is the elegant dining area. A long designer dining table, premium chairs, and a modern chandelier make this space ideal for formal dinners and special occasions. Every meal here feels like a luxury experience. Now let's take a look at the luxury garage. This is more than just a place to park cars, it's a showcase space. The garage offers room for multiple vehicles, polished flooring, glass garage doors, and modern lighting. It's designed for car enthusiasts who appreciate both style and functionality. Continuing the tour, we enter the master bedroom, a true private retreat. The room features a king-size bed, soft ambient lighting, silver and gray tones, and modern decor. Large windows allow natural light to fill the space, creating a calm and relaxing atmosphere. Connected to the master bedroom is the spa-style luxury bathroom. Gray marble finishes, a glass shower, a soaking bathtub, and premium fixtures give this bathroom the feel of a five-star hotel. It's a perfect space to relax and recharge. Next, we explore the private home gym. Equipped with modern fitness machines, full-length mirrors, and a clean silver-gray interior, this gym allows you to maintain a healthy lifestyle without ever leaving your home. Now let's step outside to one of the home's biggest highlights, the outdoor swimming pool and swing seating area. This resort-style space is perfect for relaxing, entertaining guests, or enjoying warm summer days. The pool, modern landscaping, and silver-gray mansion backdrop create a luxurious and peaceful outdoor environment. As we wrap up this tour, it's clear that this silver and gray mansion offers the perfect combination of modern architecture, elegant design, and luxury living. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like the video, leave a comment, and let us know which part of the home was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe to American Dream Mansions, where we continue to bring you the finest luxury homes and dream properties from across the United States. We'll see you in the next video, only on American Dream Mansions.